Yo, what's up, guys? Runescape Master here. And, I'm at the Grand Exchange. Fuckload of people. Man, World 2. And, I got a little bit of a Christmas wrapping paper built up, you know what I'm saying? So, I was just hoping to do a little opening with y'all. And also, I'm gonna get some treasure keys going. I'm about to get some crazy loot. That's actually cap, though. This game's some bullshit, bro. Where is Posty Pete, for real? Man, fuck. Alright, let's see. No! Posty Pete. Claim daily. A bluey. 2 perps and 29 of each of one of the shit ones, but one's a little less shit than the other one. Alright, let's get it. Let's move into position over here. Start out with the white ones, of course. Speed through them bitches, bruh. What? Get out of here. This game's fucked up, dude. No coal, fucking. We got the small cash bags giving me fuck all money. I'm gonna be putting most of my shits in defense. I think that's wise. Because I'm trying to get to 70 and get that necronium armor going, you know what I'm saying? Go crazy, I'm sure. Maybe I can get to level 70 just with these fucking openings, dude. From 67 or whatever I was at. Yeah, 67. Damn, it's a lot of XP. Springs. Charge the spring cleaner. Fucking oddments. Man, all this damn Christmas food. I don't even know what to eat. I bought like 5 million gold in Christmas food a few days ago. I don't even know why. I was just hungry, low key. But I got that shit in the bank right now. We got 1,750 turkey drumsticks. Make it 1,840. Hold on. Deposit all in a click. 5 head. Let's go. Fucking so much coal, bruh. Man, they hate me up in the North Pole, for real. No, don't open this store. I'm gonna be banking all this shit, bruh. Fuck out of here. Damn. Onto the blueies. We got medium cash bags, giving way more coins. That's actually worth a little some, dude. Oh my god, I'm brain dead. Not the store. Medium XP lamp. Bro, that takes so much XP. Oh my lordy lord. Offhand, man, get out of here with all that. You playing too much. All y'all rubber turkeys, bro. Fucking EU fuckers thinking that's turkey for Christmas. Bro, that's Thanksgiving. Y'all don't know shit. I swear. Charge the spring cleaner. That's so many stars. I don't need that much in defense, dude. I already got a whole bunch. Hold up. Oh, fire making. I do love me making a fire. How many stars, dude? 7 mediums? And the lamps go to the defense, bro, of course. Let's go. Alright, it's gonna be the last wave of presents, bro. A huge wave of zombies. bro. These 2 purples about to hit. Trust. I'm about to get the aura die or whatever it's called, bro. 500 augments and a large XP star. Hey. Snow cape? Snow cape? The fuck? Man, I think I already got one of them. Low key. Wait, what? I must have eaten it. I think I consumed that shit. Damn, some bit of oddments right there. Hey. Dude, if I get lucky with these treasure chests, it's level 70 defense. On the spot. Okay. Let's see. Protean planks. Decent. Lamps. Bruh, that's trash. 8 yellow, 5 time. I gotta go for the multiplier. Bruh. Oh? Damn, look at all these lamps, cuz. Bruh, that's mid as a brick, I'm not gonna lie. Man, get out of here with all that. Last present? More lamps. Dude, holy... God damn! 17 lamps. Dude, it's a bunch of XP, no cap. I'm pretty fucking close to level 70. This shit, put it in the archery, bro. Oh my god, this game is actually slow. Archery, confirm. Oh, I got more wrapping paper. Hold on. Round two. It's only gonna be 4 presents though, bro. It's gonna be 4 purples. I already know it. I already know it, bro. Man, that was stinky. That was some doggy doo-doo poopy stack, dude. I gotta bro, I'm about to get so much Christmas food, and then I'm gonna sell it when it's 10 million a piece. I'll be like, fucking top G. Why did you not charge my spring cleaner? Is it full? What? Okay, never mind, bro. What? Man, this game's tripping. Anyway, that concludes my opening. That was low-key acceptable. For real.